least have one.
So good. All that Parmesan. I'm heading into a super busy day out today, but I want to have some like home cooked goodness for dinner. So I want to prep one of my family's favorite things, some meatballs in the Crockpot. Crockpot. Let's do it. Okay, I'm short on time, but I am gonna saute this up with a little olive oil because it's gonna taste so much better in the sauce. Teaspoon olive oil, a whole teaspoon salt. When I put it in the sauce, it's gonna need it. Actually, I'm gonna do 1.5 teaspoons just for extra flavor. Ooh, 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 ooh. 1/2 teaspoon pepper, a whole tablespoon Italian seasoning, just because when it goes in the sauce, it's gonna need all that flavor. This looks like a lot, but it's not. Gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter to that and saute it on the stove. I love to use the good butter. Okay, since I'm short on time, I'm gonna use garlic powder. I absolutely love this kit, but normally I would use some fresh chopped garlic. I'm throwing in the crock pot with meatballs real quick. All right, I did a total hack job here because it was so fast, like 2 minutes, but I really gotta get out the door. Smells so good though. Woo! Thank you, Jesus. The crock pot is actually clean. This smells so good. For a little shortcut, I'm going to use one of these cans of sauce, a big can. Clap, son. My beat goes on and on and on and on. I made these meatballs from scratch last night, baked them up because I had some beef I had to use up. You could always use frozen. I'm gonna pop them in. Okay, gonna close this. It's gonna simmer for about 4 hours on low. Gonna be ready when we come home. Gotta go. My life is controlled by football. I just wanna go on record, my life is controlled by football. We're heading to a little trick-or-treat thing. Can you put this on your face?
Maybe it's a game.
Gotta get home to my meatballs. Well, it smells amazing. Oh my God. Woo! Was that the entire message? More meatballs. Meatballs are ready.
How many times are you saying, meatballs are ready? Thanks.
Oh, look how tall you are.
Hello, I am Gia. I'm in her videos.
It's Parmesan, you're Italian.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's the law. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's gonna be hot, baby.
Is it juicy?
Oh, so juicy.
I feel the smoke in my mouth.
Smoke? Oh, the steam?
Yeah. If you put it around your teeth, you get the flavor. That is good.
The sauce
okay.
is so good. Ah!
It fell.
Oh, shadoozies.
Let me at least have one.
So good. All that Parmesan, so good. You got it, bud?
No, because you're holding it. Yum.
If you love easy recipes, make sure to get on my Foodie Fridays email list, and you can get the printable step-by-step directions to make this meatballs in the crock pot with tomato sauce on sipbytego.com. Delicious.